Welcome back to Forbidden Knowledge News. Today is Friday, June 14th, 2019. On the 13th, there was a new strong eruption from Mount Agung in Indonesia, ejecting ash over 9 kilometers above sea level. The aviation color code was raised to red, with an exclusion zone of 4 kilometers. On the 11th, a new eruption started at the Piton de la Fournaise volcano on Reunion Island. At least 4 eruptive fissures with lava fountaining up to 30 meters high opened on the south-southeast slope. The eruption was preceded by 2 weeks of inflation and elevated seismic activity. On the 9th, there was another eruption from Mount Sinabung in Indonesia, ejecting ash nearly 17 kilometers above sea level. The aviation color code was raised to red. On the 10th, there was a rare magnitude 4.0 earthquake near Cleveland, Ohio, in Lake Erie, at a depth of 4.8 kilometers. Followed by a series of aftershocks ranging in magnitude from 2.1 to 2.5. Officials are monitoring for further seismic activity. On the 10th, there was a magnitude 6.0 earthquake near the Tanimbar Islands in Indonesia, at a depth of 10 kilometers. At least 30 people have been killed and 9 remain missing after heavy rain caused severe flooding across southern China since June 6th, destroying over 1,750 homes, forcing over 30,000 people to be relocated, and damaging more than 84,000 acres of crops. On the 12th, strong storms brought torrential flooding to Lombardia, Italy, causing dangerous landslides, flooding streets, and damaging infrastructure. Dozens of people are now reported to have died in a heat wave across India that has seen temperatures reaching more than 50 degrees Celsius or 122 degrees Fahrenheit. India's capital territory, Delhi, experienced its all-time highest temperature on the 10th at 48 degrees Celsius or 118 degrees Fahrenheit, which is easily lethal as there is little access to air conditioning in most Indian cities. Some areas have been forced to develop heat action plans, providing warning alerts, changing working hours, and adjusting urban architecture so more heat is reflected and less is absorbed. So far this year, more than 100 whales have washed up along Alaskan coasts, with many more thought to have died out at sea. These occurrences have been designated as an unusual mortality event. It was also reported that 60 dead seals had been discovered along beaches of the Bering Sea and Chukchi Sea in northwestern Alaska. As massive mortality events like these continue to increase, scientists and officials give conflicting explanations with little to no solutions. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our Facebook page. And if you would like to help support my research and help this channel grow, become a Patreon. Just click the link I left in the description.